I didn't prepare anything because I know I'm going to burst into tears, so I'm just winging it a bit. My mother went to Mayapur in 1987. I was 12, and Janani Bus and Pankajangri allowed me to cook. They allowed me to cook for them. When I was 12 years old, I came out and cooked. It's just not what you do. I had no qualifications to back home, but anyway, they were very supportive and under the shelter I did not. I'm quite grateful for that. Pankajanghri always encouraged me, because, you know, there's lots of stories I could say, I suppose, but I don't want to take up too much time, and I'm shaking. But anyway, as the years went by, I graduated into cooking by myself on the evening offering with the DVs. I was 15, and my mother was there as a single mother, and she needed to come back to Australia to make money, so I was living there alone, but Vrindavan Giri lived underneath us. So she kept her eye on me, and I kept my service, and I was there every night cooking. And one night when Jeffrey he came in just to chat, and he was just asking about my life, my brothers, my late devotees, and like he had all the time in the world to give me, because he knew I missed my mother and I was alone, and just so caring. Another time during this time, actually I must have been just after my mother bought the shoes back from Australia, and my grandmother had sent them, and I asked them if I could wear them in the Didi kitchen, bring them through the back. Not wear them through the temple to access the Didi kitchen, but bring them around through the back and wear them, because I was terrified of getting varicose veins. Because I was cooking up for so many years, day in, day out, hours. Anyway, he said I could, and I did. And I bought them in. They were the size shoes. And they were bright green, like, anyway, and got the brahmacharis, they didn't have a bar of it. And when I went in for darshan, I had a quick break in between the offering and cleaning, and I went in for darshan, and then I would come back and clean. My shoes were gone, and I went running to Pankajanghri, just complaining and crying, because they'd been sent with my grandmother, and how am I going to tell her that my shoes are gone? I was so distraught. He went out with a torch. They'd thrown them through all the fields. I don't know what's there now, but back then it was just fields, and they just tossed them as far as they could away. I don't know who it was exactly, but anyway. And he just went out with a torch. I mean, he was out there for a good while, and he went out and found my shoes. It's just so funny. Just actually my fingers, but Kaylee touched on it a little bit when he made a mistake, but it's not. His punishment was outrageous. And he came to Vrindavan in white, vanished. I was just so angry for him, and I was like, I'm sure lots of people here have witnessed how I can turn. I'm so inspired and passionate. I was like, who did? Why would they do that? How can they do that to you? How can they take away your service? And he just laughed. And he just was so kind. And he said, that's just, you know, we accept service as it comes, and Vrindavan is no different from Mayapur. It's so humble. So humble to just take that on the chin and accept it and do what he was told. And originally us kicked up a stink, and I believe he got back there, and rightly so, but it's an amazing example of everything